This Bachmann N-Class locomotive was sent for DCC sound fitting. It's the first time I've done one of these, and I was surprised how little space was inside it. I didn't get a chance to take any photos or video clips whilst I was fitting the sound, but I thought I'd tell you what I've used anyway in here, just in case you decide to take this job on yourself. I couldn't even use a Lock Sound 5 micro. When I tried to use a micro, it was just too tall to stand in the space that's provided for a decoder. I had to use a nano and an 8-pin harness. The speaker had to go in the tender. There were quite a lot of space in there for it, so I used a 20x20x7 mega bass, which sounds great as you can hear in the video.